Hey guys, good morning. So, a lot of you have asked to share my favorite breakfast smoothie recipe, which I spoke about in my previous video. So, here it goes. But, Kavita, did anyone seriously asked about the recipe? Nope. Are you crazy? I'm anyways going to post it. Just trying to be consistent with my content. Oh, and one more thing. If you love bananas, then you'll definitely fall in love with this smoothie. Cheers. Here's an exciting fun fact about banana I wasn't aware of until now. The benefits of banana vary depending on the ripeness of the banana. It's a process where the starch in the banana is turning to sugar, like green banana turns yellow. Hope you all enjoy watching it, and if you do give it a try at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram or WhatsApp me, that works as well. Thank you so much for taking some time out to watch this video, and do hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. If you like it, then suggest this recipe to your friends as well by sharing this video.